This guide will help you navigate the process of disabling automatic restrictions on your American Express account. Follow these steps to ensure your account operates smoothly without unexpected limitations. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection for your safety. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This area typically contains options related to account management, including security and restrictions. Step 3. Locate restriction settings. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Restrictions or Account Limitation. This section will provide information about any current restrictions on your account. Step 4. Disable automatic restrictions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Review and confirm changes. After disabling the restrictions, review your changes to ensure everything is correct. Confirm any prompts to finalize the process. It may be helpful to log out and log back in to verify that the restrictions have been successfully disabled. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your American Express account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to American Express customer service for further assistance.